Boaters, start your engines. One minute, 15 seconds to mill time. One minute to mill time.
Navis is away. Brent's away.
Pilot
45
Jason.
seconds to mill time.
Shoot, shoot. Martin Herring. Birthday boy, really?
30 seconds to mill time. Fifteen seconds to mill time.
Three, two, 1.
29, 28, 27,
Dead boat in 1.
26,
Right lane
25,
2 and 3.
24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12,
Remember the boat in
11,
1.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Remember the boat in 1. First boat, that's 2 cuts. It's all right. Let him settle down. It's gonna be, remember, 2 dead boats down there at 1. 2 of them down at 1. Yeah, Jason's got 2 cuts. Jason's got 2 cuts. Martin Herring, you know that he's got 2 penalties, right? I don't know why you're pressuring him that hard. Because remember, there's a dead boat there. 2 of them. Four down on Martin. He's a leader. 3 down on Jason.
Final lap.
Final lap for Martin Herring. Finish for Martin.
Martin Herring done.
All right. Jason, you're going to go
Final
ahead
lap.
and you're going to come around and come to the beach, Jason. Go all the way around and come to the beach, both of you. You're done. Riley did not start. Brent Troop did not finish.
Pilot Jason done.
Boaters, start your engines. One minute, 15 seconds to mill time.
All right. Shane is away.
1 minute to mill time.
Shane Forrest.
All 4 boats are out.
45 seconds to mill time.
Jim Foster.
Good save, Jim. Good save.
30 seconds to mill time. 15 seconds to mill time.
I don't think Bridges transponder. Somebody's got a 58.
29,
Drop.
28,
We don't know who that is.
27, 26,
I think that's
25,
Dale.
24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8,
Dead exit at
7,
2.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, that one of those boats, I think that probably Lopez. Drop it on Dale Roberts, Leanne. Drop it on Dale Roberts.
Dale Roberts.
I know Bill Bridges is not reading, so. Get him, PJ. Four down for Dale. Wow. Bill is pressuring.
Final lap.
Final lap for Dale. Final lap for Bill. We're going to put Bill in second. Foster's in third, so don't worry.
Final
Finish.
lap. Dale
Finish
Roberts
for
done.
Dale and finish for Bill. And Bill need to check his transponder because it's not working. Even though I know you were second. This is a finish.
Jim
Go
Foster
ahead
done.
and cut the course and bring it in. Now we just have to switch Jim and Bill. Yours did not register. It just says multi, meaning, but we dropped it in.